Hey guys, it's Kiki. I'm back with another video. Small disclaimer, I'm like super sick, so if my voice sounds weird, that's why. Trying to recover, but you know, we still gotta come out with the banger videos, okay? Sickness is not an excuse. Today's video is super duper exciting. I'm going to be unboxing my new bag. So you know, okay, we've been having some baddie on a budget, bougie on a budget lifestyle videos, but you know, there's some things that you just have to splurge, okay? Every now and then you have to splurge a little bit. Totally worth it. But yeah, today I'm gonna be unboxing my new bag. So this is my first designer bag. So super excited about it. I'm like finally elevated. I've been wanting a designer bag for so long. And I think the bag I got is like a traditional starter bag. So if you haven't, go watch my vlog. I vlogged my whole experience, you know, going to the Louis Vuitton store, buying the bag, and today I'm unboxing it. It was so stressful for me to wait. Like I have been waiting forever to like bust this bag open, check out this bag. So yeah, finally, today is the day I'm unboxing the bag. I can finally start wearing it and using it. And you know, and having this bag become my child more and more every day. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate you. We're on the road to 10K. Okay, we are getting to 10K subscribers and I need you. I need your help, please. So yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and we can get right into the unboxing because this is what y'all came for. This is why I'm here. There's no need to delay. Okay, so the bag I got is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So you guys can see what style and color I got. But yeah, here's the bag. And I feel like this bag is just, the bag like makes it, you know what I mean? Like the bag is a part of the experience. And I was watching this other girl's video. She was saying people are like selling these bags online for like $50 because people just want the bag. But yeah, so here's the bag. It has these purple handles. And then it's just a really high quality material. And then if we open it up, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So first, let me show you the receipt and I can tell you the exact bag I got. So here's the receipt. Is it focused? But yeah, this is what my receipt looks like. It's a little square. And if you open it up, it has my client advisor's card. Her name was Jane. So I guess if I ever need to call her again, you know, for any items. And then here's my receipt, y'all. So yeah, I got the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM, so the medium size. I got like the checkered print. So yeah, this is how it looks. Super cute, super exciting, super bougie. Yeah, when I was in the store, I wanted to check the MM, and I think it's called the GM. It's the bigger bag. I didn't know which one I wanted because I definitely wanted to use this bag for travel and for every day. And I'm the type of girl, I promise you, put every single thing in my bag. Every last thing will be in my bag. My entire makeup collection, my giant water bottle, okay? My actual wallet with my cards and receipts. So I just didn't know what size, but I ended up choosing the medium one because it seemed more practical. But here's the box. The box has like ribbons and stuff. Super bougie, super luxurious. I love it. I'm like, let me open it on camera. Oh, these knots are tight. I guess I'm not gonna untie. Let's see, can I take it off like this? I'll take it off like that. There we go, okay. So when I got into the store, they basically told me that I could get my initials engraved on it for free. So I definitely wanted to do that. Look, I was talking to like some of my friends and family about it, and they were like, well, because you got your initials, you can't resell the bag. But I wasn't planning on reselling it, and I was like, it's my first bag. Like, I feel like I'm gonna use this bag for a while, and if I do stop using it, I would probably like pass it down to my sister or something. But yeah, so I got two initials. I got KH. The lady in the store was very serious about me not doing 3 initials, not doing my middle name. She was basically saying it looks weird on the bag when you get your 3 initials or whatever. So I've seen the bag, but I haven't seen my initials. But I kind of regret not getting my 3 initials because I'm like, that's me, you know? Okay. Okay, here's the bag. So yeah, box is empty. Move that to the side. And then this is the dust bag that you can store it in. And then, so I've obviously seen the bag. I just haven't seen the engraving of my name. Whoa, it smells so good. It smells like fresh leather. Aw. Okay, that's my name engraving. Can you guys see it? KH. And she was saying gold is like the best color. And here's the bag. It smells like brand new, super leathery. So yeah, this is the bag. Super cute. I feel like it's gonna go with everything. And then it also comes with this little pouch, which I already know I'm gonna use this pouch a ton for, like, you know, when you're just like going out and you don't wanna bring like a huge bag. I'll probably end up using this pouch as like my wallet. This is the interior. We're excited. I also bought an organizer for it. So let me show you guys the organizer and what it looks like with an organizer, because I think, you know, I think this bag looks the best like full. All my initials do look really cute. And it's like, you know, it's my bag. I love it. Super cute, super elegant. So yeah, let me grab the organizer just so we can see how the bag looks full with the organizer. You feel me? So I just ordered this organizer off of Amazon. I ordered it yesterday when I bought the bag, and it's already here today. So shout out to Amazon, okay? You already know they be coming through. I just chose like the first one that was available. So the organizer has like the main pouch, and then it has other little small cubbies for different items. I'm gonna put this in the organizer. And I got red because I wanted it to match the interior of my bag, and I feel like the red is just classic. But yeah, so this is my bag. This is what it's looking like, okay? So here for it. I can't wait to decorate it with like tying a scarf on it or something, or like getting a really cute like purse keychain. But yeah, this is my new everyday bag. Hopefully I'll be able to fit a lot of stuff in this, and this will be able to be like also a travel bag. It might not be big enough to be a travel bag. The thing about this bag, it doesn't have a zipper. It only has a clip. So you have to, if you want to close it, you basically just like clip it right that way. So that's like you closing it. But yeah, super elevated, super cute. Okay, Louis bag. All right, I'm excited. It's super exciting. So yeah, I decided I think I'm gonna name this bag Victoria. That's the name we came up with when we were in the store. And I said Victoria just because, you know, we are victorious, okay? We are conquerors, we are victors. Just all of those feelings I felt, and I was just like, what a glow up, you know, to be able to purchase this bag. How victorious am I? I want to feel that every day when I'm walking down the street with this new bag. So we came up with the name Victoria. If you guys have any other naming suggestions, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear them. I actually had a really good experience in the store. I always hear rumors about people in the stores just being so rude, so discourteous. Like if you don't look rich, they're not talking to you, blah, blah, blah. So I was a little nervous about that. But everyone in the store was super, super helpful. The store I went to, actually 3 stories, and like on every story, someone was trying to help us. Someone was being super nice, greeting us. So yeah, this is my first bag. The next designer bag I think I want is a Gucci bag, but I want like a smaller bag, like something more like this size, something that you could take like when you're going out, or you just, you know, you don't really want a huge bag. Not an everyday bag, but like more of like a trusty bag when you're going out. But I see how y'all get addicted to these bags, because you go one time and then you're just like, oh my God, I need more. Like I need these bags. Again, if you haven't, go watch my shopping vlog. In that vlog, I kind of talk a little bit more about like why I wanted this particular bag, how it's my first Louis Vuitton bag, you know, why I decided to purchase one. all of those amazing things. Also, a what's in my bag video is coming soon. You already know, okay? As soon as I start filling up this bag and using it, I will definitely be filming a what's in my bag, so stay tuned for that. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? You new year, new me, new bag, okay? Don't. All right, baddie alert, baggy alert. All right.